If we analyze Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Prophet Moses, peace be upon him, both of them, they were born naturally. They had a mother and they had a father. Whereas Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, he was born miraculously without any male intervention. He had a mother, whereas he did not have a father. And it is mentioned in the glorious Quran, in Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 47, that Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, he was born miraculously without any male intervention. The same message is given in the Bible. If you read the Bible, it is mentioned in the Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 1, verse number 18, and in the Gospel of Luke, chapter number 1, verse number 35, that Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, he was born miraculously without any male intervention. So, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was like Prophet Moses, peace be upon him, and Prophet Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, he was unlike Prophet Moses, peace be upon him.